Well, hi guys and gals, it's me, George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, and it's going on 4 o'clock, and you can see it's only 24 degrees out there. So I haven't been working out in the carport because, you know, it's not a garage that I'm working in, it's my carport, and it's open on both ends. And if you get a little breeze, it can be like a wind tunnel almost. But just because I'm not out there working doesn't mean I haven't been plugging away at the project. Let me give you a little update. So you saw my intake manifold, and I did sandblast it. You saw some of that. And my carburetor has come in. I need to clean it up yet, but it's going to do the job. And it seems to be in pretty good shape overall. And of course, you know, if you have an Edelbrock intake manifold, you see what it says right down there, Edelbrock? Yeah. You got to have an Edelbrock air cleaner. And I was wanting to paint the valve covers, but they're kind of a plastic thing. So what I have done, I have chosen just to enhance the lettering. Couldn't make up my mind if I wanted to make them all red or silver, so I decided I'd paint them silver and just the V's are red. And I have my gooseneck, I sandblasted it and painted it as well. I'm not sure that it's going to work. I may have to cut it and modify it because I think, if I remember correctly, it really needs to be pointed back like that. And of course it won't work on the bottom, so which means I'll end up having to cut the base and rotate the whole thing. But we'll make it work one way or the other. So yeah, I've been keeping busy. I washed the intake manifold, climbed right in the tub with it. No, I didn't. I was on the outside of the tub, but it was in the tub, and I used some Dawn dish liquid and scrubbed it down with a brush. And my parts have been in here on this radiator drying and warming up just like you see my paint is. My wife has been very kind and allowing me to do these things. I don't paint in the house, but I'll get them nice and toasty warm over the radiator, and then I'll run outside and I'll paint them and then bring them back in and stand them up again over near the radiator to get them to dry quickly. With the exception of the gooseneck here, I had that hanging up from the ceiling. I didn't put this hook up there. It was already in the ceiling when we bought the house, but it works very well for hanging parts from to dry after they've been painted. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. And my new spark plug wires have come. The starter has come. I think I have most everything here. I had to order a different kind of fuel pressure regulator, one that has a return on it. The one that I already had did not have a return. So hopefully next week, this is Friday, supposedly on Monday the temperature is supposed to get up into the 50s. So my plan at this time, Lord willing, is to get back out into the carport and get the intake area cleaned up, and we'll put the valve covers on first, and then we'll drop the intake manifold on and go from there. So that's just a quickie update on what I've been up to trying to move this project ahead. Thanks for watching, Thanks for watching, commenting, subscribing, thumbs up, sharing, all them good things. Till next time, this is George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, saying bye for now.